In ArcGIS Pro, if we want to add multiple maps using Basemap, we cannot. Using this Basemap menu, we can only select one Basemap. But here you can see that we have selected multiple Basemap, world imagery, then OpenStreetMap. So let's see how to do that. First, go to View and then Catalog pane. It will open our catalog pane in the right side usually. And then go to Portal. And under the portal, you will find ArcGIS Online. Click on this. Now let's search here OpenStreetMap. Right click and click Add and Open. Then it will open a new map in the right side of your current map. Just copy the map. To copy, right click on OpenStreetMap and copy. And go to your main map and right click on your map and just paste and close the OpenStreetMap. Now we have added OpenStreetMap in our main map. Now let's click the catalog pane again and let's search for imagery hybrid. Right click and open. It will also open in the right side of your current map. Now let's copy both the layer. Copy and go to your map and paste. Now we have added two map and the hybrid reference layer. Now let's add another map. Go to catalog pane again and let's search for NASA. We will add NASA Visible Earth Cloud Free Global data. Let's click on Add to Current Map. This map we can directly add to our current map. You can see that the map is directly added. This way you can add as many maps as you need. Thanks for watching.